Hey everybody, Steve here. Now, if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know I'm a writer. Behind me here are pictures of my covers, Deadlock, Fallout. They are superhero action adventure books. They are everything that you would find in a comic book, say from the 80s and 90s. Good comic book writing. Everything you'd find in a comic book are in these books, except pictures, of course. That's why I call these ungraphic novels. Yeah, I love comic books. I've ever since I was 5 years old, and I saw Spider-Man on the Electric Company, and I got Spider-Man Electric Company comic books. I've been in love with comics, and they're great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be writing my third book. I have the outline for the book all ready to go. I have the title for the book. I even have a mock out, a mock up. I'm sorry, of what I want the cover to be. And normally, when I get a book together and I get my outline, I take my time and I'll write for an hour or two a night, and get everything done. And it'll take me a while to get the book written. But for book three, for this book here, I'm going to try something crazy.
It's crazy.
I'm going to write this book in 24 hours. Now, I'm not going to do it in one 24-hour period. I was thinking about doing that. That was my first thought. Just go from like 6 p.m. to 6 p.m., from Saturday to Sunday. But I have a family I got to be a part of, and I have work, and I have a lot of things going on. So while I could do it, the recovery time afterwards is just gonna be crazy. Because if I work a whole 24 hours on the book, finish Sunday at 6, I'm gonna be dead, and then I have to go to work Monday the next day. That's too much. So I'm thinking 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday, the 16th of September, and 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday, the 17th of September. I'm going to sit down right here in front of my computer, and I'm going to write my book. Now, would I like to say definitively I'm going to finish the book? Yes, I would love to say that. But I'm not. Right? This challenge, as it is just that. It's a challenge. I've seen other people on YouTube talk about writing a book in a day. A lot of them have done it, so I don't see why I can't. Again, I have a great outline, very detailed. I should be able to fly through it, but never say never. Never say, something could always come up. But I'm going to hope for the best and say, yes, I'm going to get it done. So on Saturday, when I'm done at the end of the day Saturday at 6 p.m., find me on Facebook. Down below, you'll find my link for my Facebook page. There, I'm going to put a post. How many words I've written, how many chapters I've written, and just my overall general thoughts for how the day went. And then come Sunday, I will do the same thing. I will leave a post, how many words I got that day, how many chapters, whether or not I finished the book, and if I do finish the book, I will be posting this. This is the title for book 3. In this card, I'll unfold it. You'll see it, and I will post the picture of the cover mock-up I have for book 3. So it'll be a real big reveal at the end, provided I get the book done. If you're a writer and you've been procrastinating, or you like to write along with other writers, feel free to write along with me. September 16th and 17th. Mark it on your calendar. I'll be sitting right here in this chair for 12 hours Saturday, and 12 hours Sunday. If you want to ride along, that'd be great. Let me know in the comments here on this video, or if you come to my Facebook page and you see the post I leave Saturday and Sunday nights. Let me know if you've written along. Let me know how many words you wrote, how many chapters you wrote, how you're feeling. That'd be great. That'd be great to see. I really am interested to see other writers doing well. We writers got to stick together. So yeah, it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun thing to do, fun thing to try. And hey, again, come along for the ride. I'll do some video of myself writing. I'll probably have another video after that, just kind of a overall synopsis of me writing, how I went through it, all the fun, all the craziness. Can I do it? Let me know in the comments. Do you think I can write a book in one day? If you're a writer, could you write a book in one day? I bet if you had a really good outline, you could. You know, if you knew your characters and you knew exactly where you wanted to go, I bet you could do it in a day. I'm betting on me doing it in a day. So, thank you guys for watching. If there's any other writing videos you would like to see me do, let me know that in the comments as well. I'd love to hear from you guys. Love to know what you guys are thinking, what you guys want to know. Pick my brain. Leave me some ideas, and I will do my best to get them on video and get them out here on the YouTubes. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. That's all I got.